Thobela, dumela. Lebitso la ka ke nna Noko Mokgohloa, ke ena Skokotla. Today ke tlo tlhalosetsa ka kgwebo ya rena network marketing lo re bereka bjang lo re ka tšhentšha bjang bophelo ba gago gore o kgone go fumana letseno la tlaleletšo ke extra income. Now network marketing business e ke joinile ka 2014 ke gopola be ke le teacher for 4 years ke le namela taxi le bana ba school ba mpitša a teacher in a taxi. Ka join this business first month ka gola 200 rand because be ke nyaka an extra 500 rand. Now 2 months be go over 3000 rand ka gone e thekela Apollo 6 1.6. Ke gopola 8 months re gone thušana le bo mara extend our RDP house be dula ko yona ko Mamelodi. 12 months ka khumana a townhouse in one of the top suburbs ka Pitori ke Centurion. Now 14 months be gone le some mereko ka re be ke gola ela be ke gola ko mereko at the age of 25 ka 2015. 3.5 years be gola over 40,000. 4 years 50,000. 5.5 years with all over 60,000. Annually gola double my age. Can I 7 years ki dra this business uphelo ba ka bo change wa bona na le ntlo ke re bala moyeng ki ja fa so na le kolo ya lina le sefane di kia shitiwe mowe re ke le ko lengwe cash it's essentially lengwe letseno ke gone le kisha overseas got this extra income ki dra mo network marketing. If nanga gona o tšhintšha bophelo ba ka le wena ka gona o tšhintšha bophelo ba gago. Now ra gopola Mr. Mboweni na go tšesa le finance minister during lockdown a re botša gore batho ba ntši ba bankrupt mo Mzansi ba bang ba lose mebereko ene karabo ya sewe ke network marketing because o ntše o bereka annually o hloka letseno la tlaleletšo. Network marketing ke karabo e ka o thuša gore o kgone go fitlhelela seo o nyaka go se fitlhelela mo bophelong. Now ke gopola ka 2015 petrol be le 9 rand a liter, 9 rand 90 cent a liter. Now ka 2021 November petrol be le go 19 rand 54 cents a liter. Now as re fitla December 2021 re bona petrol se be 20 rand annual petrol e go 20 rand and 80 cents a liter. Ka mantswe mang he petrol e namella dijo di anamella di taxi di anamella di school fees di anamella di hapara di anamella majaja le lobola ya anamella. So o tlhoka letseno la tlaleletšo because es ga le ba re petrol e kana dira re fitlhe 40 rand a liter because re a bona o dira lanka war ya Russia le Ukraine. So lo jedinchi e affected lo jedinchi. So o tlhoka an extra income. Yewe aisale a want ki a need an extra income. Now ke re go wena network marketing e re berelang ka yona mo radio king ke IFA. The IFA emerging independent field advertiser. Come on, Zomang, or an independent contractor to client to life. Kaur King, network marketing division at client to life. Now, this year it's around 24 years. Reported more than 2.5 billion. Kamurol, Homa IFA out on a Linaluena. Reported more than 4 billion. Carry claims over Tolorum by Babadrim, Bakachili products Jabona, got client to life through IFA. Now, Gruana IFA. That's why really a significant financial contributor in the Republic of South Africa. Now, get just 6 steps to recover successfully ka IFA. Now, steps number 2 obviously o join a IFA wa debit check wa attend presentation a she presentation go tlhalosetsa yona. Steps ho be dis sa business rena ke invite, meet and follow up. More na re a mema a re tlhalose, more re a mema a re tlhalose. O mema batswadi, you mema your family members, your colleagues ba batho ba tsebang o ba mema ga go meeting wa o tshwana le rena re di presentation o ka bontsha this video presentation ra di follow up ra bontsha business rena bereka jwang ra motivate ra encourage. Now a re ke a rwala rekishi ra mema ba meeting ra follow up. Now we put your na no nka gola jwang ka this business rena le tsela je tharo tšwa go in this business rena le di bonus tše ro gadishang ka tsona ro amogela go business ya rena then rena le di monthly earnings mo ro gola kgwedi le ka kgwedi and then rena le di clubs. Now ntwa botlhoka gore o debit checker o verify details tša gago o re gone go gola go business ya rena. Now a re fetele go steps sa boraro. Now rena le principle re bitšang ka 2510. Now 2510 re thoma ka batho ba bedi o tlo gola bonus, then wa ba le batho ba 5 o gola kgwedi le ka kgwedi. National batho ba 10 tla bo buildile your first level re bitša ka foundation level 1. Now bonus rena mathomo e re introducing this year re bitša ka the G-Force bonus. Now kgwebo rena e re ho join a business ya rena o tlo kgetha one of the client life products. O kgetha client life product e le ro wa rata e le ro e ka suita di needs tša gago ke tsela ya go ba part of the business. Now a re introduce batho go business ya rena o gola from mothomo. Now okay from mothomo go dia mathomo 100 rand ya go be 100 rand ya boraro 100 rand. Now ka batho ba 10 for example o ka ikhumana bokae over 3,000 rand in a space of 3 months. Ho ka ya go 20 o ikgolla bokae 6,000 rand in a space of 3 months ka batho ba 20. Now gore wena wa khuluma kakhulu uzogola kakhulu, wa khuluma kancane ugola kancane, awukhulumi awugoli. It's a numbers game. O ka sana batho ba 100 di tswa go wena. So G first bonus ere you patela from mothomathom wa ka joinang product client life a patela a debit checker then o tlo gola. Then tsela rena re wena this year re wena if o tlo dira se re seng o rusi dire o tlo khumana se re se khumana. Zig Ziglar ore to get what you want thusha ba bangwe re ba khumana se ba se tlhoka. Na re wena re na le ana creator bonus. Now business ya rena ere motho ke motho ka batho. Are we introduce batho ba bedi as an example. Now batho ba bedi ba le bona ba introduce batho ba 5 or ba qualify le or ba gole kgwedi le ka kgwedi. Ya ke re tlhoka batho ba 5 or o qualify as an IFA monthly earner. Now batho ba bedi ba introduce batho ba 555 then ba qualify ba a monthly ba di monthly earner. Company o boa mo ene ya o lebo ya o kgono creator di earner e re o patele ke bokae 1,000 rand o moti. Now from 2 ke bokae ke 2,000 rand. Kgwedi ya mathomo ya bobedi 2,000 rand. Ya boraro 2,000 rand. Tsoma ka batho ba bedi ba re ba o thusitse ba dire business ba qualify ba di earner tla bo shgone o dira bokae 6,000 rand in a space of 3 months. Hele re ke ba bararo o gone ikrela 9,000 rand in a space of 3 months. Hele re ke 4 ke 12,000 rand. Now business ya rena e latlhile ka tšhelete re o joina business ya rena re tlo thega ra o thusha ra o bontsha gore batho ba introduce jwang o ba mema jwang a she ena creator bonus e re ka gona itirela tšhelete ntši. Now tsela rena o bedi ya gola ke di monthly earnings bonus e re ka gona itirela tšhelete ntši. Now tsela rena o bedi ya gola ke di monthly earnings. Now o tlhoka batho ba 5 o re gole every month ka business ya rena mara re bolele ka 10 ya batho ba introducing ke level 1 ya gago o khumane over 3,000 rand ka batho ba 10 in a space of 3 months. Now batho ba 10 ba 50% ya bona re ba tšere di funeral cover re botse ultimate dignity plan, 50% ba tšere the IFA gold key our rewards product our lifestyle product o tlo khumana la bokae level 1 ya gago 241 rand and 7 cents. Now business ya rena e re motho ke motho ka batho the power of multi-level marketing ke network marketing ka re batho ba 10 ba re tlo ba ruta le bona gore ba dire business ka re tla banya ko hola ba yo tsamaya ba mema there 10. Now 10 times 10 e create level 2 ya gago o ba le batho ba 100 re ba botse di key appointments 100 key appointments on your second level. 50% ba jere funeral cover 50% ba jere IFA gold o tla bo khola bokae 4,821 rand and 39 cents 4,821 rand and 39 cents. Now no mmereko ngola 10,000 or 5,000 plus an extra 4,800 bo phela bo change o gona patela dikoloto bana ba gona o tlatsa di fridge ba gona wa gona dikoloto wa go nreka wa dipatela lona o ka go reka koloi ka an extra 4,000 rand bo di Tata and Canisr Micra Polo Vivo City Golf wa go rekela a brand new car wa ntsha acha le tamatsuzu ka fridge. Now 100 ya batho bale it's a monkey see monkey do business ba tlotsa ba mema there 10 o ba le batho ba 8,000 on your third level batho ba 8,000 o gola bokae 48,213 rand and 91 cents 48,213 rand and 91 cents re tlhakantsha 241 rand taela le 4,821 le 48,000 rand every month eleka month kgwedi le kgwedi gweti na gweti hinyanga ne nyanga o ikhumana la 53,276 rand and 37 cents 53,276 rand and 37 cents ke tšhelete o ga ikhumana lang wena every month o berekishane le team ya gago e ka o tšea 2 years e ka o tšea 4 years 9 tšere 5 years or ke gole 50,000 ye wena e ka o tšea 1 year or 2 years o ya ka gore šoma jwang the harder you work the more you get rewarded ke business ya rena nana bophelo ba o tla bo change jwang bana ba tsena dikolo tše di kaone le yona o tsamaya ga kolo e la leina le sefane le yona o re bala moyeng wa ja fase ka an extra 53,000 rand ke tsela o bedi ya o gola. Now tsela rena boraro ya gola ke di-clubs re lebella size ya business ya we gola o qualifyela for a club mo tlo kumanang bonus kgwedi le ka kgwedi ona la thola re ba bereka for the last 2 years nje ba sa grade bonus mara mo IFA o gona go kumana bonus kgwedi le ka kgwedi. Now rena le club ya mathomo ke club 10 o ka sana ba 10 then ba patetse the monthly premiums in the same earnings period o tlo qualify la club 10 wa gra 180 for the next 6 months, club 15 o gra 340 for the next 6 months. O ba le ba 25 mo level 1 then level 1 level 2 o ba le ba 15 o ba 15 points then o qualify for club 15. Now hopola mola o na le batho ba 100 o gola 4,800 o ka ikhumanela bonus 1,550 for the next 18 months. Mola o khumana 53,000 o tsena club 1,000 o kra bonus 6,330 for the next 5 years. Our last club is club 25,000 o 409,790 bophelo ba o ka moka. Ntwa botlhoko batho ba debit checkile o kry 1.5 points towards your club growth. Ye ke tšhelete e tsenang godima yela ya mogolo e we khumanang every month. Now ke re go wena re tlo support ka this business. You'll get all the support that you need in this business. Babe, I was too far. The other slides are not. So, ka ke boletše ka re IFA ke the network marketing division at Clientele Life. Ka mantswe re offer di products tša clientele, re na funeral plan, chepedi re na le a foundation plan ke savings ni bilo cover for life, re na le lawyer legal plan, re na le wealth plan you save a chelete for long term, re na le IFA gold ke lifestyle product a rena, our rewards product. So motho o memileng o tlhalle this video o tla romela a PDF ya o tlhalosa re products tša rena di šoma jwang, le bile products tša rena more information o ka khumana on our website, even on our IFA app. Now o kgetha product ke tsela ya wa part of the business. A re se o gola o feta product ya tla be shetse e ipatela. So ntwa botlhoka go reng o meme batho, and then business ya tla be se dira wa hola ni bile tlo thomo ira ya ipatela product ya o khethile any of the products o gona khumana le discount on our IFA app, o gona go khumana voucher o ya go reka go Shoprite, checkers hyper, o gona khumana le discount bo Discount bo Aldo coaches. So ke yona tsela ya ba part of this business tlo kgetha product ya Clientele Life. Then ke re go wena rana le competition ngwa company introduce a competition re lebala level 1 2 and 3 but wala ba jeri product ba patela o hola o accumulate the points. Now rana le winners podium mo le company fana ka 1 million rand, and then engwe ntwe e nkgatlang ka company rena kore ngwa re qualifyla we are overseas incentive conference. Now re the international circuit a she re are ye Dubai. Now o qualify le go mona ticket tše pedi o tla le partner of your choice, no marriage certificate required. Ke re tla be re nwa anything from water to paraffin bon at the expense of the company earlier Dubai. Now na ke re go wena a re yeng Dubai ngwa o tlang next month tla be this year ba Mauritius esing Mauritius mara na le wena ngwa re berekela o ya ka Dubai a re berekele o ya Dubai. And then ke re go wena every year ke boletše company na introduce a competition na ba gona mpha 10,000 rand ka opla 2019 2020 ba mfa 50,000 2021 ba mfa 57,000 rand e no ba the cherry on top o no reka maswitsi wa chela petrol a ke bolele ka moholo ne. Na ke re go wena ntwa botlhoka ntiro ke join this business ke benefit ye re bitsa ka earnings guarantee benefit. O khethile IFA gold a qualify for this benefit, e qualify for watching any of the Clientele Life products. Now are before tlhokofala bo gola 10,000 rand from IFA company tja 10,000 rand multiply by 12 for 120,000 rand before ro boloka. Now are maybe o tlhokofetse or wa permanently disabled benefit ya o tlo ikhumana. Then for the next 2 years for 24 months beneficiary ya family ya khumana 10,000 rand it is guaranteed, or yo khumana ko ene le permanently disabled na 2 years ko ga ha o gona mara ba gola khwedi le ka khwedi. After 2 years umuti wa gona itšea beneficiary a itšweletša pele this business ke lona lefa le lo reng IFA e gona o fa lona. And then twa botlhoka go ro tšere product at Clientele Life wa e patela you are covered by Clientele Life. O introduce batho to the business wa gola. Now ntwa botlhoka gore o gole mo business ya rena gore tlo gona ira e patele. So ntwe nkhatla ka business ya rena gore wa o covered ka mo gona o dira letseno la tlalletšo an extra income. Now make sure that you debit check o sign up o verify details tša gago re bitša ka debit check. It is very very important. Now ke tswalla ka gore business ya rena e re wena o tlhoka gore be 18 years and above, South African debitable bank account, ID or a passport. O na le passport o tlhoka gore fe copy ya work permit, asylum seekers letter or study permit. Presentation ye litlisitše ke IFA, a division of Clientele Life Assurance Company Limited. Our national contact center is 0113233000 Khumana go Kona Rivonia and Allen Road in Morningside in Sandton. Na ke re go wena download the IFA app o tlo ya go Play Store or App Store wa search IFA business opportunity wa download that app. You tlhoka 16 megabytes of data ke less than 5 rand, or wa ya go website wa www.ifa.co.za bolale motho o memileng or to this presentation or o gona a o thushe o create your IFA number, your business number, o gona start a business today. Now ke tswalla ka o re nkile Noko Mokgohloa ke re network marketing o kana ba le reng a sentho e rata o kana ba ise ditoro tša gago mare kgone go funda ditoro tša gago. It can finance your dream. Now ke re go wena o na le batho le reng ba prefera borotho than the key to their financial freedom. Now you bona this picture e bolela dilo tše dintši gore na le batho ba ntši key ye e ka ofa financial freedom mara motho nya ka borotho ba le reng o tlo kgona go buja annually a gore annually instead of a grace key se so le re tlo go mfa o kgona mo fa borotho every single day. Nako ngwe o ya ka perception le perspective ya rena mo bophelong gore se lo re se bona jwa o re nya ka eng mo bophelong e ka re fa financial freedom. Network marketing ashi e ka offer financial freedom. Now the worst thing than being broke ko lebella batho ba succeed ka the business e lo reng wena ngile ba introduce go yona ngile ba bontsha yona ya o tshwana le IFA is that's the worst thing of being broke ko bona batho ba succeed ka business ya o tshwana le IFA e lo reng ngile ra o bontsha yona. And then le bana ba batla tšheleng batla go butsa rena papa Noko Mokgohloa ba dira IFA lena be le dirang. Now ladies and gentlemen, if you forget that you are poor, your situation will remind you. If you forget that you're poor, your situation will remind you. Ka leboa ke yona presentation ya rena bolaile motho introduction to this business. Start now, start today with IFA. Now you can.